Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. So this is another cravings video, you guys. I was craving a Jamaican beef patty with cocoa bread, pepperoni, and mozzarella cheese. Do you hear me? And I made homemade cocoa bread. The beef patty is not homemade, but the cocoa bread is homemade because I like jazzing things up. You know, I didn't just want the box of beef patty. I said, you know, my taste buds got a higher standard. So it was so good, all right? Just like I had it in New York when I used to order it from the pizza shop. Yes, the pizza shop, not the Jamaican place. The pizza shop is what did it with the pepperoni and the mozzarella cheese. Anyway, this is the box of Jamaican beef patty. And then we're going to get into making the cocoa bread. All right, this is dairy-free. So you're going to activate the yeast in a small bowl. Combine 1/4 cup of warm water, a pinch of sugar, and the yeast. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. Now we're working on the dough. In a large bowl, mix the flour, sugar, and salt. Add the yeast mixture, remaining warm water, egg, and coconut oil. I use vegetable oil. Okay, and you're gonna go ahead, knead the dough, knead. Right now I'm just mixing everything together. I'll start kneading it on a board in a minute. And you're gonna do that for 8 to 10 minutes, okay? Until it has like a nice, smooth, elasticy type of texture. All right, go ahead and add a little flour, little at a time if it's too sticky. Now we're gonna set this to the side so we can let it rise, placing it in a grease bowl. Cover it and let it rise in a warm spot. I'm putting mine in the oven because my house is cold, and I'm putting it on warm in the oven. Look how beautifully that risen. It should rise 2 times the size, about. Now I'm going to go ahead and punch it down, and I'm dividing this into 8 balls. I was feeling lazy, so I didn't actually roll these out. I just used my fingers to spread it out. And then I also was a little ghetto and used my fingers to measure it. You want the circle to be about 6 to 7 inch. I use my fingers for all of that. So this is me spreading it out with my hands. Please use your rolling pin if you like. And then I'm going to fold it over and just gently press down. I just wanted to make these quick. They don't have to be perfect, but they did come out pretty perfect to me, especially because they are dairy-free. So I was very happy with how it came out. That's me measuring it all ghetto. And I'm actually going to do a second rise on these. I'm going to set these to the side and let them rise again for another 10 to 15 minutes back in the oven on warm. And then look how nice they rise. So nice. And now we're going to bake this in the oven on 350 degrees until golden brown, which was about 15 to 18 minutes. And voila. Voila. They came out so fluffy, soft, and absolutely, definitely delicious. I could not wait to jazz up my ShopRite bought beef patty in a box. I said, we are jazzing this up. Okay, so now we're going to make our Jamaican beef patty with cocoa bread, pepperoni, and mozzarella cheese. All right, nice and airy Jamaican cocoa bread, dairy-free. All right, so all you're going to do is go ahead and make your beef patty the way that the box tells you to. Open it up. You're going to cut it open. Add whatever cheeses you like. I added mozzarella cheese, pepperoni. Then you're going to go ahead and place that in the cocoa bread. You can put this back in the oven. I'm putting it in the air fryer because it was right next to me. And I put it in, on 400 degrees just until the cheese melted. Yeah, that's it. And then I just added some red pepper flakes. I took it out a little soon. You could leave it in there longer so that the cheese is even more melty. But I was fine with this because I actually didn't intend to eat the whole thing in this sitting. Oh, so good. So good. All the flavors. I love Jamaican cocoa bread, first of all, and a beef patty with the cocoa bread. So good. I absolutely miss getting this in New York. It's just too bomb. Let me know if you would try this. Have you tried it before? Have you had the Jamaican beef patty with cocoa bread? Let me know down in the comments. Let me know how you like this recipe. And I thank you guys for tuning in. God bless and peace.